Hi there, I wanted to share with you the thing that I made this day, and that is a chatbot with an Ollama local model. I use these commands in my Windows local machine to do the install. You can use that commands if you want, but for now, if you don't remember, I use n8n in local for do the test, so go to my another video if you don't know how to use this n8n in local and enable that. But for now, we need to get this trigger when chat message received, and in the next node use the node that is called a agent and select the chat model. As I said before, I don't use this that require an APK and this require money, so I get use this Llama chat model and select my model, the model that I downloaded. The other models was for made a test, but doesn't work for this, at least in my test. And then you can test the chat. I tested in the publish thing, but I wanted to show you this error because it's very frequent that we don't publish our workflow and then we can this error. Only you need to publish and the error is gone, and we can test the chat. But to be sincere, I don't want to do a new video for English, so I just ask like hi, and the model understand another language, for example German, Spanish, or I don't know, Italian. But the thing that I show in this video is that the model itself don't remember my name. Things symbols like that, because doesn't have memory. We need to enable that memory as I do before in the video, and then I can query the model about my name or another information that the user gives to the agent in order to get the correct answer. And this is only for the memory of the chat, but I really want to get a knowledge base of knowledge. Sorry, you can do that with something very special like a database of vectors, but for now I want to use this a simple Google Sheet table like you see in the screen, about, for example, graphic cards and this power delivery and other things that you see in the data. For get the model access to these Google Sheets, I only go the tools and add the sheets thing. And this part of the credential I have in another video. If you don't know how to do that, I recommend you to go to my other video. It's very descriptor, it's very easy to do. And then I use the ID of my Google Sheets and select the sheet. Why the ID? Because I wanted to things harder than the easy things. I don't know why, but I do that. And then we need to get this thing very careful, the system message. I recommend to you to go to the ChatGPT or cloud and let's talk with them with this model about what do you want with the chat, and that they give you the system message, because it's really important to the real usage of the model and the real answer that the model will be do with our users. This is the most important part, but I wanted to keep it simple as that short message. And I wanted to test my thing, so I use the chat that is in the IPA publish, and just query the model about the how, or better, what is the graphic cards that they have in the information. And you see that is really slow. For this, I recommend to use real APKs if you wanted to get better performance. But for now, I have here the information, but isn't all the information that I give to the agent, only was a part. That's weird, but because it's a local model, is something we can expect. but also we can query, or we can make advanced queries to our model. In this case, in Spanish, I asked them about what is the major power consumption of these cards, and what about the FPS, frames per second, in Grand Theft Auto 5. That is a row in the a column in the data. And yeah, we have here the information correctly interpreted by the agent. So this is all. Thank you.